In these two problems, we are going to find the axis of symmetry and vertex from standard form. Now, since it's the same steps, we'll only do two problems. You need to memorize x equals the opposite of b over 2a. A is our 2, b is our positive 36, and our c is our positive 170. So the opposite of a positive 36, and if you want, you can actually just put it in like that, and then 2 times 2. So the opposite of 36 is a negative 36, and then 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 36 divided by 4 is negative 9. Now, on a quiz or a test, if I just ask you what the axis of symmetry is, that is what you just found, the vertical line that cuts the parabola in half. If I ask you what the vertex is, you have to go a step further. You have to evaluate. So you need to put the negative 9 in parentheses. If not, the calculator will do it incorrectly. Now, if you don't have a calculator, please do PEMDAS, do exponents first, then multiplying left to right, and then adding and subtracting left to right. So if you evaluate this, it's 2 times negative 9 in parentheses squared plus 36 parentheses negative 9 plus 170. So when you get that, it's f of x equals a positive 8. So your vertex is always x comma y, which is negative 9 comma 8. You do the same thing for number 2. The reason why I chose to write number 2 as well is because there is no a value. When there is no a value, you just put a positive 1. So the opposite of negative 6 all over 2 times 1. Simplify that. 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. So your axis of symmetry is x equals 3. Now, since your axis of symmetry cuts through the middle of the parabola, and so does your vertex, it shares the same x. That is why you are allowed to plug it in. So 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 5. So if you don't have a graphing calculator at home, or any type of calculator at home, do PEMDAS. Exponents first, minus 18 because you can multiply, plus 5. Now we want to add and subtract from left to right. So 9 minus 18 is negative 9, plus 5, which is negative 4. Now since our vertex is an ordered pair, you just combine the answer that you got, x equals 3 and y equals negative 4. So that's all you have to do for axis of symmetry and the vertex.